Okay, so today I'm going to show you the mod I did on my bass for my active pickups here. We've got the bass cut boost, mid cut boost, treble cut boost. Those are the three lower knobs. And then of course you've got your pickup sweep and your volume knob. But what we did today is, because I am sick and tired of buying 9-volt batteries, I modded the bass. I stuck in this little guy. Got a little charging port, little USB. So we're going to take this apart. And the fun thing is, getting this off to begin with was not fun. Anytime I had to change the batteries on it, I dreaded it, because you got to get a screwdriver out. It's a pain in the butt. And it was so tight in here, PV made this perfect. So I had to put a little hole in so I could put the screw back in and pop this out. Now what I've done is I have gone and put two 9-volt lithium ion batteries in here. These batteries have a nice little charging port in the bottom of it. I'm going to pull out one of the other batteries that I've got. So this is the battery itself. Little 9-volt, 650 milliamp battery. It's got a charging port in the bottom of it. That is awesome. And when you get two of them, you get two batteries. You also get a USB-Y charging cable. And I'm going to pull here. I'm going to pull out my USB cable. I'm going to plug it in so you guys can see that when it's plugged in, it's charging. Pop that out. You can see right now there are no lights going on. I'm going to plug it in. And you can see that there are little red lights on each battery. So each battery is charging right now off of there. Once I unplug that guy, we're not charging anymore. The lights are fully green. We're charged all the way. So I'm going to go through, show you guys what we've got going on. The pickups themselves need 18 volts. So I'll show you how I've got the battery pack set up on here. There wasn't a lot of modification I had to do to this. I had to Dremel out a little hole for the charge port on there. I'll put a link for the video of the parts that I used on this. And they will all be Amazon affiliate links. So thank you to those that buy the stuff. And these batteries are really nice if you want to use them for your guitar pedals. Do whatever you want. I got a 4-pack of them for like $21. And I'm not going to have to buy 9 volts for a very long time. So now I've got a 9-volt for a wah. I've got a 9-volt for a DI. Do whatever I want to do. Pop this back in so I can pop this out. There we go. So the underside, this is all it is. This cable here, I had to shave off a little bit so it would be flush mount on this side. Otherwise it was bumped out a little bit. But this cable here, opened it up. Luckily, this is set for data as well. So when you go and open it up, you only need to use the red and black wire off of the black cable here. So there's a red and black cable for your hot and ground, and there's also a green and white cable that's for data. You don't have to use those. You can push those off to the side. This is the Y cable that comes along with the batteries themselves. And when you open that up, I'm going to pop this out. Come on. Can I get this off with one hand? So you'll see here, I had to Dremel out quite a bit of space. This was about the size of what one of those cables could go through, but I needed to make it so that I could get this. This part was able to go all the way through. So we're good there. I've got everything set. The batteries are set in series. So you go from the positive, negative to the next positive, and then the negative goes out to the ground. The positive that's on this battery goes into the active EQ on there, and these Y cables, like I said before, you've got your red and your black. It's red and white on these. So red goes to red, white goes to black. Put everything together, you're pretty much all set, and you have yourself a charging station for your bass or whatever you want to use. If you want to put this in a modification for your pedals, whatever you want to use, it's nice. The pedals themselves, I've had these batteries drained all the way down. Sorry, not the pedals, the batteries. I've had the batteries drained all the way down, and it takes about 4 hours-ish to get a full charge on this guy. So it's not bad at all when you get it going. And the other nice part about the batteries is because they're lithium ion, with a normal 9-volt battery, after a while, the charge themselves just starts going down. So the power consumption just starts going down on it. So you're not getting that full 9 volts the entire time. This, you get a longer charge out of it, and you get the full 9 volts, and then out of nowhere it just stops. So your mileage may vary on how long you get out of a full charge from a 9-volt on these guys. I haven't done a full test yet as far as how long I get on it, but I've had these in this bass probably for about a week, and I play about, I want to say, an hour a night or so on the bass, and I have not had the batteries die on me yet. I haven't had to charge them up yet. Then again, I've gone back and forth plugging in this guy to make sure that the charging is working, so I don't know exactly how much charge time I've gotten out of it. But that's what I did to mod this bass. I hope it helps you. You can do this to just about anything that has a 9-volt battery. If you get the right cable, you know the pinouts, you're ready to go. And that's it. Thanks.